Welcome, in front of me is a Samsung Galaxy XCover Pro, and today I will show you how to enable the Do Not Disturb mode. And to get started, pull down notification panel and find the Do Not Disturb mode toggle, basically, which for me it looks like it's on the second page right over here. And once you find it, you can start by holding it. This will take you to the settings where you have a bunch of settings that will allow you to customize how it actually works. So for how long is an option that allows you to set couple different options here, basically referring to the actual toggle right here. So what will happen when you press on it? So you have until you turn it off, so you do have to turn it off manually for a specific amount of hours, or ask every time, which will bring up this kind of menu every time. Schedule, self-explanatory, just an automatic time that it starts and stops. Exceptions, which will allow you to basically set who will be able to call you during Do Not Disturb mode or message you or have a conversation. With the difference that calls here has this repeated caller option, which that means that if someone calls you twice within a 15-minute period, they will completely bypass this section, the first one. So as you can see, it's set to none, but if you enable this, someone calls twice, they call you normally the second time around as though it's not even on. Then we have alarms and sounds, just what kind of alarms and sounds can give off interruptions during the Do Not Disturb mode. Apps, same thing, what kind of apps can interrupt you, and hide notifications, which will just allow you to hide specific notifications. So that is how you can change different settings in here. And just to turn it on, find the toggle, tap on it, like so. And there we go, it's right now enabled. Now if you went with the automatic route, you don't really need to do anything, it will turn on and off automatically, and yeah, no need to do anything extra. So that being said, if you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.